Award Female Artist of the Year. That is a mouthful. No wonder those award shows are always so long. Hey, you know what else is long? The walk from my bedroom to the bathroom. And mine is right next door. And it is a beauty ocean. See dolphins in the morning. Will you give her a rest? She's in your room.
Mama, Sunday is going to be perfect. I am getting an award I've always dreamed of. Daddy's presenting it to me, and now everyone I love is here. You and Ellie.
Whoa. Back this tractor trailer up. You mean to tell me that bottle blonde, shrink-wrapped, 5 pounds of bologna in a 3-pound bag?
Now, Mama, I know you don't like her butt.
Son, it is not just her butt I don't like. It's her head, her toes, and everything in between.
Mama, this is the biggest award of my life. Can you guys just get on for a weekend, please, Mama?
Oh, sweetie, I guess for your sake I can look the other way, and I do mean the other way. I don't even want to see that woman. That might be
Has
kind of hard.
miss him at
What,
school?
we don't have to pick her up at her hotel, do we? Can't you just hitch a ride on one of her flying monkeys?
What'd you say?
Because I miss him at school.
Because he's staying here.
Can you ask her what's going on outside?
I have the link to it.
From my guest room.
Well, shoot, that's nothing. There's a snot green blowfish right here in the living room.
Now, Ruthie, if you're going to be mean, talk to the booty. Hold the hands off Diddy. Well, I would love to know that booty has been nipped and tucked so many times on you can't hardly find it. I ain't having no problem finding you.